Okay, so I'm going to show you how to record some pre-recorded messages or music or anything really onto the Grid 3. For the purpose of today, we're going to do that under Messages on FastTalker 3. So we click into the page we want to edit, click in here, and for this user I've pre-set up this page on FastTalker already, and this is so that the individual I'm working with can have some pre-recorded Punjabi messages, because unfortunately the Grid 3 doesn't have a synthesized voice for Punjabi. So if I give you an example, if I click on good morning, it speaks out the message of a pre-recorded message that we'd recorded with her husband. So to do the messages, what we do is we click on the menu bar up at the top. So make sure we're on the pink page, which is the Punjabi page. We click on menu, then we click on the pencil which says edit over in the far corner, just over here. Then from there that'll change the screen. Now this pink page has been adapted, so if you click on any of the pink cells, it will come up with a command box down the side, and this command box gives you some different options to be able to record your messages. So to record my message, I just simply click on record. I'm going to do that now, and then I click stop when I've finished my message. So click record and then say message. Hello, how are you? I'm good today. And click stop recording when you're ready to finish. Okay, you can click play now and that will play you your message. Okay, now this cell here that we've just recorded onto, the one with the blue square around it, it just says the word record in there, so we can't differentiate it from any of the other cells. So what we need to do is we need to add an image or a symbol and change the label that's on there. So what I need to do first off is I need to change the element at the top, which is change the label. So this is the writing that's on that cell. So if I click change the label, which is just here, it'll highlight that box in blue. And now what I do is I just use the keyboard, the on-screen keyboard, or I've got a physical keyboard, and type in my message. So if I say hello, you can see up at the top it's predicted a couple of symbols that match with the label, the word on the cell that I wanted. So I can hover over those and see what they look like. If I click on one, it'll automatically populate it. If I'm not happy with any of these, I can then click on Find Pictures, just this button here. If I click that, it'll then bring me up another screen. And from here, I can use the search field up in the top right hand corner. I can highlight it in blue, press backspace to delete it, and then type my message. So maybe I wanted it to be a yes symbol instead. I can type in, and then I can click on any of these images, make sure it's blue, and click OK, and then that'll populate in the box that I wanted. Now if you've gone wrong and made a mistake or didn't want to do the editing that you've done, what you can do is you can click the undo button, which is the blue button in this top left hand corner, or if you've finished doing your editing and you've done all your adaptations to the page, press the green tick, which is what we're going to do now because we've made our changes. Finish editing, it'll prompt you with a message, would you like to save the changes? Yes please. And now we can see the cell that we've done and we can click on it. Hello, how are you? I'm good today. Click stop recording when you're ready to finish. So that recorded our message perfectly well. and that's how to record sounds with either speech, music, any kind of noises on the Grid 3.